In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track UTM codes in Google Analytics. Understanding how to track UTM codes is crucial for anyone involved in digital marketing, as it allows you to see where your traffic is coming from and how different marketing channels are performing. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can effectively track your campaigns. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Google Analytics website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Analytics homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all of your reports and data. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this layout, as you'll be spending a lot of time here analyzing your data. From the homepage, look for the Reports option in the main menu. Clicking on Reports will take you to a new section where you can start digging into the specifics of your website traffic. The Report section is where you'll find all the detailed breakdowns of your data, so it's an essential place to explore if you want to understand how your audience is interacting with your site. Next, you'll want to find the Traffic Acquisition Report. This report is specifically designed to show you where your website visitors are coming from. It's a powerful tool for marketers because it can break down your traffic by various parameters, including the UTM codes you've set up. To find it, simply look for Traffic Acquisition in the navigation menu under Reports. Clicking on it will open up a detailed view of your traffic sources. Once you're in the Traffic Acquisition section, you'll be able to see the different channels through which your users are finding your site. Here, you can filter the data by adding a secondary dimension, such as campaign, source, or medium, which are typically associated with UTM parameters. This is where your UTM tracking really comes into play, as these parameters help differentiate between your various marketing efforts. Remember that UTM codes are case sensitive, so ensure consistency when using them across different platforms. This will help you avoid discrepancies in your data. Additionally, it's beneficial to have a naming convention in place for your UTM parameters to keep your data organized and easy to analyze. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering UTM tracking in Google Analytics. This will not only help you understand which marketing efforts are driving the most traffic, but also allow you to fine-tune your strategies for better results. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be a pro at leveraging UTM codes to bolster your marketing campaigns. Happy analyzing!